potentially marrying a foreigner?
They'll be happy.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
Hello, this is Maggie with PinayWise.com. Today we're here in Codordan, Consolacion. It was well known, one of the best seafoods restaurant or eatery here in Cebu. And now talking with me is Faith. We will know about her thoughts, feelings, hopes, and dreams. So keep watching. This will be very interesting. Hi, Faith. How are you?
I'm doing great, miss.
Okay, now we will start about your quick bio. So you will tell me all about yourself. Okay, so how old are you? Where do you live? How big is your family? How many siblings do you have? Or do you go to school?
Okay,
Okay?
okay, miss. Hi, everyone. My name is Faith Bernadette Girl, so you can call me Bern. I'm 22 years old. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Science in Airline Management in Indiana Aerospace University, fourth year college. So I have one sibling, and I also have three dogs. I really love dogs, guys. Like, my dreams, if I will be successful someday, I really want to have a shelter for the animals because my heart is in the animals.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, that's really nice. Animals is part of our family.
Yeah.
They should be because they have lives. Actually, I also have dogs. I really love dogs also, and it's so nice that when you become successful, you also have plans
For
for
the animals. Yeah.
animals.
For stray dogs or
Yeah,
cat.
stray dogs. Yeah. Okay. So you said that you only have one sibling.
Yeah.
So
Only
are
one.
you the
Yeah.
eldest?
I'm the youngest.
Ah, you're the
Yeah.
youngest. Then how old are you again?
22.
22.
My
Oh.
brother is 12, so we have 10 years age gap.
Ah, I
Yes,
see.
10 years.
Oh, okay. So you said that you're studying in
Indiana,
Indiana.
yes, miss.
So you're studying
Bachelor of Science in
in
Airline Management.
airline
Yes,
management.
miss.
So can you tell me about airline management? What specifically job that you can get
Okay.
after
So
graduating
after graduation, you can work in the aviation industry,
aviation?
specifically airport. So you can be cabin crew, can be ground crew, ticketing. That's the more chances in the airport, miss.
Ah, I see. So any job
Yes, any
as
job.
is as long as it's in the
Yeah.
airport and in the airline or in the
Yes.
airplane. Okay, because I thought it's actually, to be honest, I just know that course, no, when I just live here in Cebu, because all I know is a tourism management.
Yes.
Yeah, when you take up tourism, I thought that's all about the airlines already, but it's not. So it's
Yeah, tourism is different. Yes, they can also work in airline industry, but they're more focused in
I see.
hotels, more in cruise ship like that, miss.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you for the explanation. Okay, as of now, do you have a job?
I have a part-time job, miss. I work as like a brand ambassador,
Oh, I
and I
see.
also do live streaming online.
Oh, really?
Yes,
What
yes.
kind of live
I
streaming?
do TikTok in TikTok app and also Tala app.
Tala app.
Yes, Tala app.
Ah,
Tala
okay.
is a new app, miss. It's like a sister company with Bingo Plus.
Ah, I
Yeah.
see. So what did you do there?
Just entertaining people,
Like,
dancing sometimes. It
do you know
depends.
how to sing?
I really don't know how to sing. I really want to, but my voice will not cooperate.
Cooperate
It
your
will not
vessel.
cooperate. I really want to sing, but only in the shower.
Only in the shower. Okay, we're the same. Okay. If so, do you like what are you doing now about your part-time job?
Yeah, I like this because it's also related to my career someday because as a brand ambassador you will know how to communicate to other people
Yeah.
because communication is very important as we all know that communication is we call this it's
General, it's
general, yeah,
yeah.
it's very
Can you use
important.
it all the time,
Yeah,
like anywhere, anytime in the world?
you can also like face different kind of people from
Yeah.
different kind of um places, so you will also I call this also explore things about them. So that's really important also.
Yeah. You said that you're doing some live streaming on TikTok. Did you get some payment for
Yeah,
that?
I also already
Oh,
get,
really?
yes, miss. I was active last August to September, but before TikTok, I'm already a live streaming of Miko app. I've been live streaming since pandemic. So it's like
Oh.
3 years live streaming. It was nice. It was really nice, miss, because I've created friends from Brazil, USA. Yeah, they
Oh.
also call this, they share me their some of their languages. It's really nice to have some friends, foreign friends, in different kind of places.
Yeah, of course. That's so nice also. That's so nice. Okay. What are your favorite things to do?
My favorite things to do is traveling.
Mm-hmm.
I really like to travel. Dancing, playing volleyball, and modeling, miss.
Okay. You said you love traveling.
Yeah.
What have you tried going outside the Philippines or
Oh,
not?
not yet, miss. Someday after
Someday.
graduation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. um, do you have many close friends?
I think yes, miss, because but in choosing friends, it's really rare to find friends that will be with you through your ups
Ups and
and down.
downs. Yeah.
Because recently I lost friends, like
Lost.
they doesn't want to be with me in my downs.
Downs.
So that's really the basis, miss, where you can
Yeah, that's
really
right.
what?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
correct. Actually, sorry, actually, Faith, you will know the person who's really into you, who's really real to you, if you experience downs. You know,
yeah,
in life, we will always not, we're all not always in the ups.
yeah,
You know, the world is circle,
yes,
but it doesn't mean you're in a downtime. You stay there, but it's just that maybe God's just want you to know who's really be staying with you on your
yeah.
downtime.
That's really true, miss, because I really experienced that.
Yeah.
I've lost friend, but even though I lost friend, I also have friends. Like they said that if God will remove some people in your life, they will also a blessing that will come in your life.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
correct. Okay. You said you're the eldest, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think you're the breadwinner also of your family?
Yeah. For me, miss, yes, because um I really want to help out my parents also.
Mhm.
And especially my grandparents. My
Oh.
grandparents raised me because my father was a OFW or a seaman, and my mother only owns a small business. So I really want them to treat them well, or like
Mhm. Like supporting
yeah, yeah,
them. Yeah. Actually, that's one of the traits of Filipino people, especially when you're a daughter or a son. You also want to give back to your family, especially to your parents,
yes,
because that's how you show the love that they give you, the support, and it's time for you to get back, right?
yeah. Like I want to spoil them also.
Yeah, and it's really nice, and it will make your heart happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have a serious boyfriend? But before you answer that one, you can you answer that one at the end of our
Ah,
interview. Okay, good. Is it okay if I ask you some personal questions at the end of this video also?
yes.
Okay. Okay, we're done about your quick bio. Now let's talk about your hardships in life. You know, all the people have hardships in
Yeah.
life. You're so lucky if you did not experience that one, right? Okay, what is it like where do you grow up, in a province or in a city?
I think it's a semi-province, miss,
A
because
semi
I'm
province.
from Liluan, so it's far from the city.
It's kind of little bit far from the
Yeah.
city. Yeah. Okay, can you tell me about growing up in a province or growing up in a city? Do you, based on your what you call this, based on your experience or how you see the people or girls who grew up in the province and also who grew up in the city?
So for me, miss, in the province, those who grow up from the province are more familiar.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
They're more family oriented,
Mm.
which they some childrens are like being oriented to the things like they're being independent. They know how to cook. They know how to clean. So based on my observation, everyone, so not all. So based on my observation, mostly my classmates are grow in city. Like they doesn't know how to clean. Like they only depends on their parents. Like it's not generalized, but mostly like they doesn't know how to what call this work for it. Like
Uh-huh.
they only wait for their parents to give them.
To
So
give them.
if you live in the province rather, you really know how to work or strive for yourself in order to live.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. Okay, do you think there is a big difference in girls from the province and girls from the city?
I think yes, miss, because um it will reflect on your attitude or how you
Yeah.
will cope up on that situation.
Mm-hmm.
Because some city girls will like they're into they will do bar things like
Bar.
drinking, yes.
Yeah.
But in province life they will cope up their stress into nature like
Mm-hmm.
that, miss. So
Yeah,
that's my
okay. That's right. But we will not generalize
yeah,
all the
not
people.
generalize.
Yeah, because also people girls who grew up in the province, they also have traits that they have from the girls in the city
Yeah.
also. So yeah, but yeah, based on your
Based
observation,
on Leon
yeah,
Mills.
that's based on your observation only. Okay, has your life been good so far?
Recently, no, but
Oh.
life it shall be positive always. There are
Yeah.
times that we what call this we experience hardship, but
Yes.
you should always remember that everything happens for a
A
reason.
reason. Yeah.
Yeah, and that reason will make you a better person, and it's really my motto.
Yeah.
And we should always trust God,
Mhm.
trust His timing, and trust His plans.
Yeah, that's correct. Actually, that's my favorite line. Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah,
No, it will not happen for if or God will not give it to you if
yeah,
y- God knows you cannot handle it.
yes, that one.
Everything what happened to you now, God give it to you because God knows you can handle it.
Yes, God
It's
knows that
just
kind of.
like what I said earlier. Every downtime or every hardship that you experience now, it will end soon. It will
Yeah,
not stay there because you're not there just sitting. You're trying your best to fix everything and to back to normal, right?
yeah, that's really true, miss.
Okay. Do you make enough money to have a good life now?
For now, miss, I cannot say so because I'm still a student and I only have like a part-time job because I want to be independent. I want to sustain my own
Mm-hmm.
sustain my own needs.
It's
Yeah, that's
yeah.
why I cannot say that.
Yeah, you're still young. There's a lot of time for you to make enough money for, to treat your parents, not only you, but only your
Yeah.
family or your loved ones. Okay, what is the hardest thing about your life?
Mm, the hardest thing about my life is about family. It's really hard to face family problems because it really affects you as a person, as a
Yeah.
student, as a daughter, where you will question about yourself. Like, kaya ni na ako? Like that.
Can I
Like,
handle this
yeah, can
one?
I handle this one?
Mm.
Like, it's really hard to face family problems because it really affects you as a person.
Mm.
It affects on how you um see that in the other person. Like, oh my God, like, oh, so like you can say, I hope all also like that. Because there are times that I will be jealous of no, like my parents are used to compare me before, but
Yeah.
luckily that they also already adopt me as like adopt the Yeah, adapt
situation.
who am I really.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's really the hardest part, being compared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's the problem also, Here, I think here in the Philippines, it's so natural for us Filipinos to compare someone to others
Yeah, so yeah.
because sometimes based on my observation, I will not generalize all the people here in the Philippines, but sometimes yeah, they comparing something to other thing or some person to different person, which is they don't think what they can say if or if can they will don't care if they can hurt others. It's just they want to say what's
Yeah.
in their mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, some people will, like, example, mental health. So
Yeah,
I
it
can
can
really
make
say
you
that,
depressed.
yeah,
It will feel having
anxiety.
anxiety.
So I really want also to promote mental health awareness, because I also tried that one before. So
Mhm.
it's not easy, guys. So you should not judge everyone. So
Mhm.
because we doesn't know the story of everyone. So we should be kind in our words, kind of our actions, and we should be kind to everyone.
Yeah. Okay. What hardships have you and your family experienced?
Financial hardship.
Uh,
When the time my father was lost his job because he was also depressed.
yeah.
Yeah, that's really the hardest miss, because my mother only own a small business. So
Mm-hmm.
it's very difficult to sustain my financial needs.
Yeah.
Like, so that's the reason also why I need to find part-time jobs,
Yeah.
because in order to sustain my needs in school,
Mm-hmm.
because I really don't want to end my school, because the
Yeah.
year is very, like, especially right now, miss, I'm already graduating, so it's like I feel so overwhelmed, because I've been so through a lot of things, and
Mhm.
luckily right now I'll be graduating soon.
Yeah, and after all the hardships,
After all the hardship,
you're there
yeah,
already. It's just one step,
once,
and then your life will change or
yeah,
your life will begin. Okay. Okay, now we're done about your hardships. Thank you so much for sharing with us. But don't worry, everything, like what I said, everything happens for a reason, and God will not give that hardships to you if you cannot handle it.
yeah,
No. And yeah, financial problem, it's not normal, but it really happened to a lot of families, especially now the crisis here in the Philippines. Everything are so
yeah,
expensive,
celebrate.
the rice, the gas, and still the salary that
That's
we
a
have for our people are
very
really
low.
really really small. Okay. Now let's talk about the goals in life.
So my
Now, who has been the most influential person in your life?
for me, it will be my mother, miss.
Your mother.
Yes, my mother, because I really see her hardship in life.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's the reason also why I really want to be successful someday, because I want to prove to other people that even though we are like this, we also can go higher. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, like she is the reason why I want to be more successful, or
Mm-hmm.
to graduate also, because many people bring us down.
Mm-hmm.
So, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to prove them that, yeah, we did it like that. So
Yeah.
I will, even though there are a lot of words or harsh words from my
Mm-hmm.
mother really, like, take it, miss, like,
Mm-hmm.
she really overcome all those words in order to protect me and my
Mm-hmm.
family.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason.
Yeah. Um, you're so lucky to have that kind of mother because not generalizing again, but not all the mother is like that. Sometimes mother always think about themselves. They don't think about their kids sometimes. They just want to think how they become happy, how they, you know, how to make their life content, no, even though they have kids.
Yeah.
That's why you're also lucky because you have that kind of mother. You said that you have a small business. Maybe you want to share it here.
I will also have small business on Facebook and
Oh,
IG. It's mini treats Cebu. It's like a dessert, mini desserts, like dessert in a cup, like
okay.
mango float, cookies, and I also have another. I really have a lot of Facebook page, miss. Like I really want to have a business someday. That's
Oh,
why I think I have 3 pages and
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
3 pages and Facebook and IG.
oh, that's so
I have
nice.
rent a style. Rent a style. It's like different kinds of outfits you can rent for a day. Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's so nice.
What else? I also have Bedazzled That's a Boo. It's like accessories.
Mm-hmm.
Or I also sell flowers every um call this every February, like package box every December.
Oh, that is so
I'm really
nice.
into business, miss. That's why.
I know you'll be so successful because you're so you're a really hardworking woman. You know. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Okay. Now, can you share about what is your insecurities, if any? Are you willing to share?
My insecurities before, miss, was my color, but as growing old,
Mm.
I learned how to accept it and how to love it, because there are a lot of people complimented me, oh, I love your skin because you like that. Before I experienced bullying, that's why it's my insecurity. That's why
Mm.
they will say you're so dark, you're not into like that, you're so ugly. That's why it's part of my insecurity. But as growing old, I used to love it, miss. Yeah.
Yes, because did you know other nationalities or foreigners, they do like sunbathing just to get that color, and now it's for you. It's normal. It's your mother gave birth to you in that color, so it's sometimes, yeah,
Yeah.
because here in the Philippines,
There
like
are
what I
many
said, there's a lot
races.
of bullying,
Yeah.
or what they saw about you, they will speak in their minds. But what I observed, there's a lot of foreigners who's really doing some sunbathing or like the machine to make their
Yeah.
color tanned. Yeah, but you're beautiful. I like your color. Your color. Okay, what's your definition of a fulfilling life?
My definition of a fulfilling life, if I already call this reach or fulfilled my dreams in life.
Mm-hmm.
Like one of my dreams in life is to be financially stable.
Financial
So
stability,
yes,
yes.
stability, that's really important. And there I really don't have a lot of in life dreams. My only dream is to be successful, because I really want to prove to everyone that I survived.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. How do you define success in life?
I define success in life if you are happy in what you do,
Yeah.
because it's very useless if you do that thing that you're not satisfied, you're not happy. So
Mm-hmm.
it's really important that if you will do something in life, you need to be happy also, because it's where you can say, oh, I'm succeed, yeah, like
I
that. I
succeed
succeed
because
because I did that thing. So
mhm.
and it makes you happy, so that's the meaning for me, miss.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What does happiness means to you and how do you pursue it?
My happiness means to me, when call this mm, when I when I do the things, or yeah, when do the things that makes me happy,
Yeah, but like
like
no like treating your
yeah,
family,
treating my family.
supporting your family.
Yeah, that's really one of my goal right now, miss, is to support my family and
Yeah,
to make
and
them happy, and to graduate, because
you pursue that
yeah,
in for you to graduate in
yeah, their
school.
happiness is also my happiness, for
Mm,
short.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, how do you feel about adventures or trying new things?
It's really nice because it's like you're out of your box. So
Yeah.
it's very nice to try new things, because it's where you can see more about yourself. Oh, I did it. Oh, I can do it like that. So
Mm.
and experiencing new things is very, it's very nice, and it's very important for me, because as before, Miss, I was really a shy person. I really not into interviews or into cameras because
Yeah.
I really have I'm really a shy person. But as growing old, so I really cope up my
You go up.
yeah, I
Mhm,
cope
go
up it. I'm very proud of myself right now because I really did it.
because you're here now, facing the camera, and now we're talking about your life.
Yeah, I'm very happy with myself because I when I believe it, I really do it. Yes.
Yeah, I know you'll do everything because of the attitudes that you're showing me right now. Okay, you relax. You look so nervous. Don't worry. We're just talking about your life. Like, how can we how can we show the people how Filipina is really good, and how Filipina is serious in a relationship, and how Filipina is a family oriented.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's talk about the attitudes towards dating and marriage. I know you're so young, but in the near future, you can still experience of dating, and you go up there about the marriage, right? In dating, what qualities are you looking for in a partner?
I for dating, Miss, I want that my partner will have emotional intelligence because it's very important that that person understand what you feel. So that like your feelings will not be validated. It's really important.
Mhm.
And one is family oriented, faithful and loyal. That's all.
Yeah, that's so important. That's one of the best qualities that you can look for a partner.
Yeah.
Because not all the guy can do that.
Yes, not all the time.
Yeah. Okay. How important are these qualities to you?
It's very important this because when you're into a relationship you need to be open to each other.
Mm-hmm.
So having those what I said earlier, very important because in order to have good communication with your partner, you should have those qualities. Should have for me to have a longer relationship or longer or good communication in your partner, you should always communicate, miss, or have understand each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You know, the important thing in a relationship is to talk about your problems, talk what likes do you like and what dislikes do you have. Yeah, communication is really
yeah. We
important.
just need to be open.
Open,
Yeah.
yes, that's right. Okay. Do you want someone who takes care of you, or do you want to be independent?
I want someone. For me, if I would love, it's me both. Because it's
Mm-hmm.
very nice to like someone will take care of you. But in other part also, I want also to be independent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because not all the time your partner is
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Not
Yeah.
all the
Yeah.
time.
So that you can support each other also.
Yeah, that's very
Mm.
important that you can also know how to live with yourself in case your partner is not there for you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You can stand up by yourself.
Yeah.
So important. Okay. Do you want to have a home and children, or is your career more important?
I want to have a children or home someday, miss. But in God's perfect timing, not now. Because I'm still processing my dreams. I'm still
Yeah.
reaching it.
Yeah. You of course, as of now, you need to prioritize how can you make your life
Yeah.
successful. It's so hard for you to have a children that you're not prepared for
Yeah.
it.
Because I already suffered a lot. So want
You
that.
don't want
Yeah.
that your child can
Yeah.
experience that hardship.
That's why.
Yes. Okay, how do you view the role of a husband and a wife in a marriage?
For me, from if you will the role of the husband should always have emotional intelligence
Mm-hmm.
because he need to understand the feeling of her wife in order to develop more about their relationship. And as a wife we should be more open, like no secrets. Both husband and wife is no secrets because once the a person knows that you're into secrets, it really breaks the trust. Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. You know, it's so nice that the husband and wife, or you'll treat your husband or your wife as best
Yeah, as best
friends.
friends.
Yeah, because you can talk everything. When you sleep, when you wake up, you talk like any details, everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like you'll
it's
be.
so nice. Yeah, it's so nice when you treat yourself not just a partner, but also besties.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
Besties, right? Okay, do you consider yourself as feminine?
Not so, not
Not
so,
so.
because sometimes I want to have like a simple only. Like me, I really can say that me myself, I'm really not into makeups. So
Uh-huh.
I only apply some powder, lipstick.
Yeah,
That's about it.
I can saw it now that your face right now is really natural. You
I,
did not put any makeup in your face, only powder,
only powder and lipstick.
lipstick.
Ah,
But you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Because not generalizing again. There's a woman who really can't go outside without makeups
yeah.
on, right? But you can you can go out without anything in your face. Only powder,
Only powder and lip tint.
lip tint. Okay. What are your long-term goals for a relationship?
Oh, my long-term goals for a relationship is stability,
Mm-hmm.
because it's very important that, if you into relationship, it's very important that it will last long. Because I experienced my experience, it's like a 3 years relationship, and it's
Mm-hmm.
very hard to overcome it, because if you're into relationship, you need to be day to marry. That's
Mm-hmm.
really my
Yeah, date
goal,
to
miss.
marry.
Day to marry is very important, but things happen. So we need to choose someone who is
You choose
really choose
wisely.
wisely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. I don't know, but that's right. You need when you're dating, it's nice also to date like you married that person
Yeah.
already. It's so hard when you broke up and then you need to meet again another guy and then starting over
So
again.
it's very difficult. The process is difficult,
Yeah.
especially the process of healing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the foundation that you get,
You,
the effort that
yeah.
you put in the relationship. Okay, what do you hope to achieve in a marriage?
I hope to achieve in a marriage is a happy life.
Mm-hmm.
A happy life that I can give to my children someday.
Mm-hmm.
That they will not we call this, they will not question their own capabilities. That they will feel safe. That's really
Yeah.
important.
Yeah. In a marriage, it's so nice that you will not, you know, exercise in a marriage that there's an alpha. There's not an alpha, because if you treat someone as an alpha, many people said, you're under of your
Yeah.
partner. Something. It's so nice that you understand each other,
Yeah.
you respect each other. It's not being under by your partner. It's just showing how you respect, how do you love, how do you trust your partner.
Yeah. It needs to be equal.
Yeah, it's always need to be equal. Okay. What would you be willing to sacrifice for the perfect relationship?
I think I'm willing to sacrifice for the perfect relationship. Some of my goals or passion in life. If
Mhm.
I need also to know that for my partner, if he supports that dream. So if he will not support, then I will just go with the flow, because I believe that if you don't, if it we call this, if it's not for you, it's really not for you.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, there may
correct.
be a good timing on it someday.
Yeah, yeah, that's correct. Okay, what makes a Filipina special in a relationship versus other nationalities?
For me, based on my own perspective, that Filipinas are always happy. They're
Yeah.
For me, we are brave, and we know how to be independent in ourselves. We
Mm-hmm.
can work also, and yeah,
As a Filipina, you can do everything.
yeah, we can do
What
everything.
can guy do? Filipina can do
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, that's really the fact that Filipino have.
Okay, now we're done about attitudes toward dating and marriage. Now let's talk about attitudes toward dating a foreigner.
Mm,
Okay. Have you ever dated anyone online?
no.
No, you haven't tried?
No, miss, but my parents usually push me like go for like
On
foreigners because
yeah.
like they said that they love me, like they love my colors, they love Filipinas. My parents usually tell me that, miss. And
Yeah.
like my parents, relative, friends, they said, yeah, mostly all of them want me to date a foreigner, but someday I want to try it someday.
Yeah, you can try other dating
Yeah, I
application.
honestly, miss, I downloaded dating
Oh,
application.
really? And then what happened?
And I'm I doesn't I'm not active that also, but
Oh.
I try to download dating apps.
That is so nice. Or maybe you can meet your forever here in Pinay Wise. Okay. Now, if you dated someone, if ever, or let's say, if you ever date someone online, how long would you want to get to know them before meeting them in person?
For me, it's really important, miss, that you will meet in person because you really can't define that person if you will just chat online, you will just communicate online because you will really know that person if you really like face each other, communicate
Mhm.
with each other with you. So for me, I think like 2 months.
Mm.
But it's really for me, Misa, it's really nice to
To
meet
meet
that
as
person.
soon as
Yes.
possible. Yeah, when you have someone who can meet online, you want to meet them as soon
Yes,
as
as soon as
possible.
possible because it's how you can define them.
Mm-hmm, yeah. What is your thought about LDR or long distance relationships?
Mm. So my thought for LDR relationships it's that if you will be in that situation, you should be brave and you should have the courage to trust because my
Mm-hmm.
parents are LDR. My
Mm-hmm.
father is a seaman and my mother only here in the
Mm.
Philippines. So based on what I see, the communication is very important in
Yeah.
LDR. And you
Because
should
that's all you have in a
yeah,
relationship, the
communication.
communication because you're so far away from each other.
Yeah. You need to communicate and you need to understand and trust. That's really
Trust.
important.
Yes, that's correct. Would you consider dating someone older than you?
Yes.
You like a man who's older than you?
Yes, miss, because I believe older than me are more matured enough and they
Mm-hmm.
can teach me more. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how much does age matter to you?
Age doesn't not matter at me at all, miss.
At all.
Yeah.
Okay. So any do you think as long as you love each other, age will not really matter?
I except miss if he is already senior as a
Senior.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't like seniors.
Yeah, it,
So,
like
okay.
I think 10 years older or 5 years like that, miss.
Something
That's
like
my preference.
okay. Okay. Have you would you consider dating someone who had been married before or had kids?
Um It's okay, miss, for me, but it really needs to have a proper or legal documents.
Yeah.
Is because it's very hard to be in that person if the papers are not yet done or the
Mm.
papers are not yet finished.
Finish or there's an unfinished
It may be
business.
complicated to
Mm.
me if
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner? And you said you know?
no.
No. If if ever, are you willing to date a foreigner?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what experience do you want to experience while dating a foreigner?
For me is that guy will treat me like important or not treat me not will not only give me a bare minimum. I want that guy will treat me that he really loves me
Mm-hmm.
because that's really important in love or in relationship that the based on what I see in Facebook that it's better that that person loves you more than you love that person.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's correct. Okay, would you want the foreigner to move to the Philippines or do you want to move to his country?
it depends on the animus. It depends on the situation
Situation.
or if there are a lot of opportunities here or there. So every yeah.
Yeah. Every experience or
Yeah,
every situation. There
needs a
okay.
proper discussion.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, what are your thoughts on dating a foreigner compared to a local Filipino?
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
Compared to a local Filipino man?
A touch of dating of foreigners, or based on my cousin, she married a foreigner. So what I can see is that a foreigner really loves them. A foreigner really make you feel love, like no
Mm-hmm.
insecurities.
Mm-hmm.
Because my previous relationship was a Pinoy,
Mm-hmm.
and there are really a lot of issues here.
Mm.
I really want to explore also. That's why I really I'm looking forward to date a foreigner someday.
Oh, I see. Okay. What are the advantages of dating a foreigner versus Filipino man?
The advantages of dating of foreigners, miss, than a Filipino man is that foreigners is more like capable in the things they do. They will make you feel safe. They will make you feel love, and
Mm-hmm.
lastly, they will make you feel comfortable with them.
Mm, yeah.
Then, because mostly of the Filipino, I mean, not everyone, like if they knew that you will forgive them, they will come back to you. They will
Yeah.
be, we call this, I forget that term,
What term?
like they will depends on you.
Depends.
Yeah, because you forgive them in one mistake, they will come back again to you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Some not all Filipinos really not serious
yeah,
in a relationship.
only few.
Only few. If they saw someone who's better than you, they will.
Yeah, they were replaced. I mean, most of them are not contented, even though
Yeah.
they already have that partner.
Yeah. Okay, now let's move on about dating obstacles. How strict is your family about dating?
Before, my parents are very strict on me on dating, especially I'm still not a graduate. So,
Mhm.
it's very hard to open about dating in my parents right now, because they first look forward me on graduating first before
Mhm.
entering a
Mhm.
relationship.
Yeah. Yeah, which is important also because sometimes when you date someone while studying, sometimes you'll
Yeah.
get pregnant, that
Yeah,
you
that's
cannot
really
finish
the
your study. Maybe because of that. That is why
uh,
your parents is strict.
yeah, they're
They
they're
just want you to
concerned.
be graduating first before entering in a relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Would you be embarrassed about being seen with a foreigner?
I know, miss.
No.
Because
Yeah.
for me it's okay, it's normal. And it really depends on the eye of the beholder.
Mhm. Yeah, the eye of the beholder. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, would you be embarrassed about dating or marrying a foreigner?
No, miss, as long as you didn't do something in your bad in your, or
Uh,
as long as it's not in a bad way,
in a
or
bad way.
yeah, as long
As
as,
long as your partner did not do anything bad to
yeah,
you.
as long as you have pure intentions on that
Yeah.
person, it I will not be embarrassed.
Yeah. Okay. Because sometimes there's a misunderstanding about us Filipinos. Sometimes if they see someone who's dating a foreigner, oh, they're dating because of the money of the
Yeah.
foreigner, but it's not right. It's really really not correct.
Yeah,
You
that's
know, it's not. It doesn't mean that we date a foreigner. We just need their money. But it's because we love you. That's why we date. We date you.
yeah, that's really the misconception of other people. Like if
Yeah.
you date a foreigner, they will say, "Oh, you like to be like have a green card or like
Oh, good
that."
enough. But it's no hello. We can live here and we can work really hard for
Yeah,
that money. We don't need anyone, right?
yeah. As a woman, if you know how to work, you know how to live.
Yeah. That is correct. Okay. Sometimes there is a lot of gossip or accusations from friends and neighbors about dating a foreigner, like what I'm saying
Yeah.
earlier. Would this bother you?
Some first, if you'll be the in the first relationship dating a foreigner, so it will be bother me. But as soon as I know that it doesn't, um based on what my friends say, that don't be bothered because they doesn't feed you like
Mm-hmm.
that. That's that term my friends say, that you need, like, you need to stand up because they doesn't, what call this, they doesn't give you in yourself. Yeah, that
Yeah.
they
And
doesn't.
they will not make you happy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's correct. You know, it's just me as a person. I'm really outspoken. I really say, especially if I'm right, I always do go out, and those gossip, I always face that
Yeah,
gossip
we need
and the
to face.
accusations. Okay, how important is family approval when it comes to choosing a partner?
It's very important to have that mix because if um family approval is important because you're already part of the family, so you should know that if that family will approve you, or if that family will accept you, because acceptance is very important.
Important. It
Yeah,
will make your
it's
relationship
more
smooth,
yeah,
complete,
yeah, the
yeah,
bond will be comfortable. Yeah,
comfortable. Yeah, that's
it's
right.
very important that you will know that the family of that person will accept you.
How do you think marrying a foreigner would affect your relationship with your family?
I think it will not affect that much, miss, because as I can see in my parents, they are open person, or they're open minded, and they, based on what I've called this experience and them, they will just support me where I will be happy, and they will be always
Mm-hmm.
there.
Yes. How do you think your family and friends would react to you dating a potentially marrying a foreigner?
They will be happy.
They will all be
Because
happy.
that's really their dreams, or their dream for me to marry a foreigner, you know. Because that's, they will say that, oh, your beauty will be, I know, your beauty will be more into foreigners, so you should marry aside them, that they will like genuinely love you. That's
Mm,
really what my parents said to me.
yeah. Okay, how do you think marrying a foreigner would affect your relationship with your family?
It will not affect that much, miss, because I, as I can see, my parents are open minded. They
Mm-hmm.
are open person, and if they knew that I'm comfortable in that person, then they will also be happy for me.
Yeah, that's so important. Would your family expect support from your husband?
I think no, miss,
No.
because it's not my husband responsibility.
Responsibility, yeah, that's
Yeah,
correct.
it really depends on me, or depends on my husband, if they want to support my family. But for me, I want to support my family with my own my own,
Hard
yeah,
work or hard work
money.
money.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
one.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk about travel. You said you like traveling,
Yeah, I
right?
really love traveling.
Um, yeah. Have you ever left the Philippines?
No,
No.
miss.
Yeah. If you could travel, where would you go?
I will go in Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's very nice there. Every in my IG is always Switzerland, like the nature.
The
It's
nature.
really more in nature there.
Yeah, 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 that's
Yeah, it's
right.
based. Yeah, and it's
I want
more.
to go there also.
Yeah, the nature and the peoples there is are very nice, because I have a cousin of mine was there, and
Mm,
yeah, was encouraging me to go
to
there
go
someday.
there. Oh,
Someday,
someday.
not now.
I like your dimple. It's so nice. That is so nice.
Yeah, they say that I'm like a cat.
I like no, it's nice. Okay. If you could try, do you like learning about different cultures?
Yes,
Oh.
because it's really nice to know different kind of culture, especially for my future career soon.
Mhm.
Because when you're a flight attendant, or when you're working in an aviation industry, you will face different kind of people with different kind of culture. So it's very important that you know how to adapt, or you know how to communicate, or you know
Mhm.
how to be, we call this, pagsama, like that.
Yeah, how to treat or how
Yeah,
you yeah, handle each
handle each,
person.
yeah,
Yeah, or each nationalities or
that's
cultures.
really important.
Okay, do you adapt well to new surroundings and cultures?
For me, not
Is it easier for you?
yeah, for me, yes, because I already experienced it. My cousin was
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
cousin was a German, half Pinoy, and when he go home here last year, he bring another German. So it's very nice to have someone to talk to because you can know more about their culture,
Mm-hmm.
know more about their like their wants or their dislikes. So
Yeah.
it's not that challenging for me.
Okay, now let's talk about your wishes in life. If you could find the man of your dreams, who would he be?
He will be the man of my dreams.
Oh. The man, yes, the man of your dreams. Can you describe your life together?
I want that our life will be happy, like no I mean misunderstanding is already is part of the
Or
relationship, but I want that we will be know how to communicate to each other, be no lies because it's really traumatizing to have lies
mm-hmm.
in relationship,
Lies.
you know.
Yeah.
And I want that our we call this a relationship will be comfortable with each other because it's
Mm-hmm.
really important that you and your partners and will be comfortable.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right. Okay, if you had three wishes, how would you make your life better?
My three wishes. Um first is my three wishes to be first is to be successful. I really need to be successful in
Yeah.
order to be happy, in order to prove to everyone that I did and I survived. Second is my other wish is that my family will live a long life
Mm-hmm.
because they are only what I mean they only yeah, call this
It's what
my family is being there to me, so I want that if
you
I
want to
will
give
be
back.
yeah
When
I
you
have to give back.
succeed, you want to give back to them.
Yeah, that's the
That's why
third.
your wish is for him to have a
S-
long life
Long life in
so that they
order.
can experience the best life that you can
Yeah,
give for them.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
I mean, and last is um happiness.
Happiness. Yeah.
Happiness. Happiness is very important in life
Mm-hmm.
because it makes you happy.
Yeah, of course. Us Filipinas always want to smile, even
Yeah.
though there is a problem,
Yeah.
there's a tragedy. We can always joke around and be happy.
Yeah.
That's one of the traits of a Filipina. What would make your life better?
My what will be my life better is if I already complete my
My
dreams.
dreams.
Yeah. If I already took the step on going up. And
Mm-hmm.
for me, I believe that if there are a lot of doors open, will grab it because maybe that door will be the door for
Door.
opportunities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. Okay, if some wonderful man was interested in you, would you be open to that?
Again,
If some wonderful man was interested in you, would you be open to that?
yeah.
Yeah. No other words but yes. Oh, if there's some guys there who's interested with Faith, she said she's okay. Okay. Can you say some last words? What would you like the viewers to know about the Philippines?
It's more fun here in the Philippines since it's Philippines. Filipino people are really generous, and we want to spread the world that we Filipinos are humble. We Filipinos have the capability to share
Our
everything,
culture.
share the culture. We're willing. to welcome you all here in the Philippines.
Yes. And Faith will tour you around.
I'll be your tour guide.
Okay. Anything you would like to say to all the viewers from all over the world?
Ito, you should be happy, guys. And if you experience hardship, don't worry because it will not the end. And if it's okay to cry, but it's not okay to give up. We should
Mm.
live our life.
Okay, thank you. Now we're here. We need goodbye. And this has been a lot of fun. Any advice you can give for those Filipina who is looking for a foreign partners, and any advice to foreigners who is looking for Filipina partners, vice versa?
Okay, for me, for Filipinos who want to look for foreign partners, they should not focus on the facial or in
Mhm.
the outside physical appearance. They should more focus on the attitude because it's
What is
very,
inside?
yeah, what's inside. It's very important the attitude of that person because it's very difficult that you're marrying that person but you'll be, will not be happy. You're just marrying for that person because of the money. So
Mm.
we should prove to other Filipinas or other Filipinos that we're not marrying that foreigners because of their money because we need to prove them that we are marrying them because we love them.
Or what?
Or
Who
yeah,
they really
wholly
are?
really are, and we accept them. And for those foreigners who will date a Filipina son, should choose Filipina wisely.
Need
Because not to generalize, there are also a lot of boodles or scam here. So you need to find a girl,
the right
the right
Filipina,
Filipina to accept you, love you, and
even though
um
you don't have the
yeah, even
money.
though yeah, that's really that's really
Important.
important.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Faith, for having us. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and all your thoughts. I would thank Faith for taking the time to speak with us today. It has been very interesting getting her thoughts and feelings about Filipino life, culture, and dating.
Thank you for all the viewers of Pinay Wise. So if you like my video, please don't forget to comment below and please do like, share and subscribe.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?